Sup guys, welcome back to Awesome Studio. Today I'm gonna pronounce you a little challenge. So this challenge is gonna be solve the Rubik's Cube with a checkerboard side. This could be a very hard challenge. Yeah, don't care about this computer. So let's follow the scramble here. The green found white on top. Okay, so here's scramble. We start to solve the checkerboard side now. Okay, so here's the first side of the checkerboard. Okay, on the next layer. So this is the checkerboard first two layer done. On top, the overall checkerboard done. Now it's oh my god, this is the hardest one. The same. So this one gonna be, what the fuck is saying? So it's like swap these two of them and then swap these two. Mean it? Do it, let's start it. Oh yeah, we totally solved it. Just check it out. Oh my god, I didn't know this gonna be work. Yeah, also thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.